Upgrading your computer? Syncing your iPad to a new system can be tricky, especially if it was linked to the old one. This guide covers the best ways to sync your iPad without data loss, both with and without iTunes. Let's get started. Part 1. Sync iPad to new computer using Assistant for iOS. To sync iPad to computer without erasing, we can draw support from Mobikin Assistant for iOS, a highly recommended iOS device manager program to complete the data syncing process easily and safely without any data loss. Step 1. Connect iPad to a new computer. First of all, download and install Assistant for iOS on your new computer. Launch it and connect your iPad to the new computer via USB cable. Once the connected iPad is detected by the software, the iPad information will be displayed in the main interface. Step 2. Scan the iPad for specific files. All iPad data will be categorized on the left side of the program screen. Choose one category. From the left, the contained files will show up in the right part of the window. You can preview and select the files you want to sync to the new computer. Step 3. Start to sync iPad to new computer. After selecting the files you want to transfer, you can click Export on the top menu to transfer the selected files from your iPad to the new computer. When the data syncing is done, you can check the transferred files in the destination folder. Part 2. Transfer iPad to new computer with iTunes. Install iTunes, connect your iPad, and authorize the new computer. Under Account Authorizations, authorize this computer. Sign in with your Apple ID under Account Sign In. Click the device icon, then go to Summary. Click Backup now to sync your iPad. Once done, click Done to manage files via iTunes. Part 3. Move iPad to new computer by Finder. Open Finder and tap Trust on your iPad. Select your iPad in Finder. Choose the data to sync and check Sync Data to iPad. Click Sync to start. Part 4. Sync iPad to new computer via iCloud for Windows. Install iCloud for Windows and log in with your Apple ID. Choose the data to sync photos, documents, etc. on your iPad. Go to Settings, your name iCloud to enable syncing. Part 5. Transfer iPad to new computer via iCloud on Mac. Install iCloud for Windows and log in with your Apple ID. Choose the data to sync photos, documents, etc. on your iPad. Go to Settings, your name iCloud to enable syncing.